Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. This time it's a Citroen video. Now in the last video I was trying to find the rattle I've had, and it appeared to be coming from the front of the suspension. Now, I had some comments saying it could be the anti-roll bar D-bushes that have worn. Now, having done this job on the Polo recently, I thought I might as well check it out. So, I need to get the front of the car up and we'll have a look. Right, I got it up on axle stands and it soon became obvious what the problem was. Now, try not to get it with camera. As soon as I grab this drop link, I can feel playing this bottom ball joint, and you should be able to hear it as well. Now the bushes themselves, the bushes here, the bushes at the back, looks to be an easy job, but they seem to be fine to the actual D bushes, so I probably won't bother replacing them. So some new drop links and that should cure the problem. It's definitely going to fail the MOT, so might as well get that out of the way. It's a cheap and easy job. Well, I've gone and got the drop links I need, £15 a piece. Just open one up and you can see what it looks like. There you go, just a simple anti-roll bar drop link. Right, let's get these fitted to the car. Okay, so on these, got a T30 and a 16mm nut. Let's see if we can try breaking it, cracking it off. So, it's starting to spin. So we just it's starting to come off. So if I'm getting in the way, it's a bit hard to do. Try to do it on camera. Right, that's not going to come off too easily, but the nuts off, and I'll do the other one. I'm not going to do them all on camera, I'll just get the other nut off. Well, that came off without too much trouble. That's not quite easy one. Now here's the new one. Now it has actually slightly bigger nuts. On that one, the old one, it was 16, this is a 17. So I could probably just buzz it on with impact gun. So I'll get this fitted. Can do it off camera. Okay, so it's all fitted, all buttoned up, it's all tightened up. I checked it this time, so that was quite a nice easy job. So I just need to put wheel back on and do other side. Okay, we're all buttoned up, so let's see if it's worked. You know, proof of the pudding. Only one way to find out is to take it on a road test. Okay, I don't know if you can see too well, dark, so let's go on our little test drive. And I'll just try the roads that are more bumpy. Okay, we're going to go up this street and it's quite bad as a road surface. So let's see what it's like up here. sound has gone. Pretty much all suspension's been renewed. It's had new springs, it's had new dampers. Probably didn't need the new dampers. I've swapped both drive shafts. I mean, a lot of this has been documented in previous videos, and now the anti-roll drop bar links has definitely made a difference. I don't think something like that you'd hear, but there you go. And also it had failed the MOT, so I've avoided another MOT failure. So I think we can class that as fixed. Okay, I'm going to wrap this video up. This problem's definitely been fixed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them down below. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.